Hello everyone, it's me Abhay Shinwari, your spoken English trainer. Today we are gonna start our 4th class of English speaking course. I have uploaded 3 classes of English speaking course before, so if you wanna watch that, the links are given below. Furthermore, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in this lesson, continue watching. So in this class, we are going to start grammar for beginners. And we should know about grammar if we want to write, listen and speak that very language. So first of all, we would start types of words in English language. So actually, there are 8 types of words in English language and they are called parts of speech. Parts of speech are 8 in numbers. The first one is noun. The second one is pronoun. The third one is adjective. The fourth one is verb. The fifth one is adverb. The sixth one is preposition. The seventh one is conjunction. And the last one is interjection. So first we would know about noun. So its definition is a noun is a naming word, or a noun is the name of a person, place or thing, and its examples are chair, Harry Potter, Pakistan, etc. So chair is the name of a thing, Harry Potter is the name of a person, and Pakistan is the name of a place. The second one is pronoun. Its definition is a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun, or a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. For example, my best friend is Ali. He is very intelligent. So in these sentences, he shows us about Ali, and Ali is the name, Ali is a noun, so here he is a pronoun. Other examples are I, you, we, they, my, our, your, their, it, its, etc. The next parts of speech is adjective. So its definition is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. A word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun, or a word which modifies a noun or pronoun. For instance, I am saying that Ali is a good boy. Ali is a good boy. So here, boy is a noun, and good shows the quality of a boy. So here, the word good is an adjective. The fourth part of speech is verb. Its definition is a verb is an action word, or a verb is a word which shows that something is being done. For example, Jackson walks on the road. So in this sentence, a work is being done and the work is walking. Jackson walks on the road. So here the word after the Jackson, I mean walk, is a verb. The next one is adverb. An adverb is a word which is used to qualify any part of speech except a noun or a pronoun. For example, he reads clearly. He reads clearly. So in this very sentence, the word clearly is an adverb because it qualifies the verb, and in this sentence the verb is read. It means he reads clearly or neatly. Other examples of adverb are quickly, slowly, neatly, smoothly, etc. The sixth one is preposition. So, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to establish the relationship with the person or thing denoted by its tense in regard to something else, or simply Preposition shows us the relationship between something or someone. For example, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So in this sentence, the verb on shows the relation between book and table. It means that the book is on the table. So here the verb on is a preposition. Other examples of preposition are in, with, of, for, into, from, beside, it, beneath, below, and many more. Let's get into the seventh one, and the seventh one is conjunction. So a conjunction is a word which joins sentences and words. For example, he likes mangoes and bananas. He likes mangoes and bananas. So here in this sentence, the word and joins these two words, mangoes and bananas. So in this sentence, the verb and is a conjunction. Other examples are both, also, to, not, only, but, etc. And our last part is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings or emotions. For example, well done, hurrah, alas, ah, wow, and many more are the examples of interjection. Alright friends, it's enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you want more videos from this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.